All right, happy homeowner. In this video, we're going to answer the question, how much does it cost to refinish hardwood flooring? Brian Adams here, founder of Only Wood Floors, author of 9 Secrets to Refinishing Your Hardwood Floor, answering the question, how much does it cost to refinish hardwood floors? So if you Google that question, today's January, it's January 2022, they're going to give you a national average of $525 to $650. I don't know how they come up with that average. It depends on what part of the country you're in, depends on who's doing the work, it depends on how they do the work, depends on the products that they're using. At this point right now in time, and it's going to go up, but we do 3 coats of a clear polyurethane. That is, we start at $7 a square foot for stain, and any color. Then 3 coats of the polyurethane, we're at $8.50 a square foot. When that may sound like a lot, ticket price shock type deal, but the wood itself, a good pre-finished wood, or you're looking at $8 and up. So having a hardwood floor sanded on site, there's nothing better. Much better quality. You get to choose the color, you get to choose the sheen, just a lot goes into it. So it's still 75% cheaper than replacing the hardwood flooring. But what goes into it, it's the systems. It's we sand the floor 8 or 9 different times, taking it off paper layer by paper layer. We get it table smooth. So that's what you want to ask, no matter where you're at in the country. Ask their system, ask, get references, ask what products they use. They should be able to educate you. So they may say they do 4 or 5 coats of polyurethane. I don't think they're going to say that, but the deal is, if they don't get it smooth enough and the floor is too rough, they use too rough of a grade of sandpaper, the wood will absorb 2 or 3 coats of that polyurethane. You want to get it tabletop smooth so that all the protection is sitting on top of the wood flooring. So do your due diligence. Any questions, reach out to us. You can email us, find us on Facebook. If you want a copy of our book, just let us know. Hope that helps. Thanks, guys.